Another banger. Make a pom, make a pom, 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 make a pom, make a keep a the pom, pom, pom. Your body kakara, make a pom, pom, pom. On a make it. Kilo fe, I'm a dead chocolate. Fine, fine, oh, back at that. Watch your love for like it. Why not more, your body, chocolate. Push it in, yeah, in my day. Kabalo, see, kilo fe. Why now, my lady? I'ma make up my eye. I'ma need to can you. I go my eye. I'ma need to can you. Do maybe. I don't money days. Maybe don't go carry.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been a while guys. I'm so sorry I left you guys for such a long time. But trust me, life happens. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the exact method I used in installing this easy, breezy, beautiful individual crochet braids I'm rocking right now. I really do hope you like this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Join the family guys. share with all your family and friends guys. Let's get to the video. So I started off with a freshly washed hair, and as you can see, I still have loads of products on my hair because my hair is still wet. And in order for me to achieve a straight line, you know, with the braids, I had to ask a friend of mine to help me draw the lines and twist my hair in before I install the crochet braids. So as you can see right now, I'm going to show you how she drew it in triangles. I couldn't do that by myself guys, so if you know you're not good in drawing a straight line, you can as well ask someone for help. In order to get my hair tight, I used a black rubber band to hold the roots in place, and as you can see, my twists are done and the lines are neatly drawn. So I'll be making use of a Supreme hair product called Super Rope Twist Royal Silk. It's 24 inches long in the color 27. I already crocheted in the back side of my hair, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I install it using this 4 twists remaining. You take your crochet hook, insert it under the hair, open the latch, put in the braids, open it up and put it in just the way I am doing. It's very, very self-explanatory. So make sure the root is tight. Then you insert the crochet pin inside the braid and bring it out at the top of the hair, and take your twisted braided hair, put it into the crochet pin and pull it inside of the braids, and everything is inside. I'll say it again. Pass the crochet pin under your hair, open the latch, attach the attached hair and pass it through your hair, open it up at the top, pass the attachment through and tie a knot, and make sure that the root is tight. Then you measure where your hair stops on the braids and pass the crochet pin inside the braids just like you see me do. Bring it out at the top of your hair. Then take your twisted hair from the tips, close the latch hook and pull it inside the braid, and everything will enter into the braided hair perfectly. It's as simple as ABC. Just watch what I do, and whatever you don't understand, kindly leave a comment, a question down below this video, and I'll be sure to reply you as soon as possible guys. This is how I installed this individual crochet braids, and it didn't take me up to 30 minutes to finish my whole head. And if you want to know, I made use of 4 packs of the hair. And at last, we're done with the whole hair. And like I said before, it did not take me up to 30 minutes to install this crochet braids. It's super duper easy, guys. So yes, that is it. Can you see how straight the line is? I couldn't have done that by myself. So if you know you can't cut a straight line, make sure to ask for help. That's the back side of the hair, and I'm loving it. I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Mwah, mwah. Mwah. Bye.